What's up YouTube? So my channel has a problem on all my videos. The certification or translation CC caption, CC button are turned on, or all videos automatically, and they show they are working, they are on. However, if I click on the video, and this is what you will see when you go on my channel, you'll see the button here. At any moment in the video it's grayed up, so it says unavailable, CC caption unavailable. You cannot click on it. I click, it just does not work at all. And that is not because I'm not speaking clearly. I'm speaking clear English distinctively from the very first seconds on the video to the very last ones. But this is a problem on all my videos, on all my channels. This is an old video actually. I did upload it months ago, and this has been for many years. So stay with me. Let's just try to do a manual fix. This is not going to work for all videos at once. You will need to do it for every single video. It's crazy, I understand that, but I'll explain you in a moment, because I did also contact the support, help support from YouTube. I'll explain you in a moment what happened in that discussion with YouTube. So let's just go hover over this edit button here, and let's just say continue. And you'll see actually that in the very video that I just showed you, the CC button doesn't work. Actually, there is a translation, automatic translation from Google. It did work. The translation exists actually, should appear here as a text. It's just that the CC button doesn't work. So what I want to suggest you, just open like this and just go anywhere here inside this text, maybe at the end of it. Just do a slight modification, maybe just type a space or something like this, or maybe just put a dot or something, just one single change, and then go and click publish. This is going to kind of change the original translation, and is going to create a new translation which is actually the same as original, just an extra dot or an extra space, like a tiny editing, tiny modification. So now it shows two of these translation, two of these certifications. I guess, yeah, this one was the original one, and this one is the new one. And you notice that we are, the video was done in February, uploaded in February 3. We are now in June 3. It's just coincidence, the 3. But you notice this is the older one. It has created a new translation which is identical with the original one. It's just that the date is the today date. Let's just try now to play back the video, see what happens. Oh, 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 what's going on? Oh, the button is on. It says normally closed translation. If I click on button, oh, what's going on? It works. Oh no, it works. And you can obviously use the settings and switch the language to what, Armenian for sure. That's what you perhaps know. I'm just kidding, guys. So it works 100%. 100%. I will need to switch it back to English. Go right ahead and do this, and this I'm going to explain you in a moment what I actually did talk with YouTube. Go right ahead, and at least if you have the patience every single time when you upload a video to do this, it is really up to you. I can tell you that in my channel also, this is the settings for the whole channel, I believe. Yes. So you also have on the dashboard page, but you have this button on every page actually, in the settings of the channel. So this is the settings for the whole channel. You have upload defaults, advanced settings, and you need to set these buttons here properly. So language certification, I said English. I want to be translated by default English, but you can change it to any other language. Title and description, I put it in English. And also I suggest you go here and you click on caption certification and say there is no basically copyright or something like this for your video. Just make sure you do this and then click save. It's already saved. So this is just the first step. for the whole channel. But then if you want, you have this bug, CC caption bug, not working, and you want your videos, all your videos, or at least a few videos, you need to do it video by video, one by one. It's crazy. Let me just walk you a little bit, because I am now uploading a video to send to YouTube. Let me just explain you what happened to you with YouTube. I did contact YouTube yesterday, and you can actually contact them with live chat. I did talk with the YouTube representative. It's really live with a real person. And I explained the issue. The person asked me to take screen captures to just prove it, but he already had access to my studio, to my channel. He went through my video by itself on his end, but he was still trying to, anyhow, just make me waste time. But anyway, so actually what he did, I told him all the videos are like this. What he did is he actually went on my first video on my channel, the first one, the latest updated, and he did exactly this, because I've seen after my discussion with him, I noticed there had been a modification, not on this video, on another one. He did exactly this manually on his end, and he said that all of a sudden he said, oh look, check again the video, now it's working, what happened? He didn't acknowledge he changed it by himself. He just said, but now it's working. So we did verify that that video was working now, because, and he didn't, and this is my whole point, he did not tell me that he changed it manually on his end. Why he didn't tell me? And this is the whole answer for you. Unfortunately, YouTube is 1000% perfectly aware about this issue, which is actually touching only some creators. I don't know why. I don't know why some creators have this issue, others don't have it. There seems to be no reason for that. It's just a software glitch in the YouTube programming. They know 1000% exactly what's going on, and still he was faking, trying to make me believe he doesn't understand the problem. He did actually change the problem, fix the problem for one video. Obviously, he wasn't going to spend 2 months to get to my entire channel, which has hundreds of videos one by one. And he then, after fixing one video, started to tell me the problem is on my end. The problem is with my computer, with my cache in the browser, with my browser version, with my browser choice. He actually asked me to reboot my computer, reboot my router. It's so crazy. Just clear the cache, turn off my browser, update my browser, use a different. Basically what he was doing is he was saying, peace off, we cannot fix this problem for you, we are not going to take care of this problem for you and for others who had the same problem. We are just trying to fool you into thinking it's on your end, the problem, whereas it's clear in the software, in the programming of the YouTube itself, the program itself on their end. It's unfortunate. I asked him 3 times to escalate this to superior tech for checking my channel. I will send him a video, a proof, filmed video of the problem, but I don't have any hopes, because it's a glitch. It affects several creators, several channels, but I'm really pretty sure that YouTube doesn't want to spend the effort, the time, and the resources to fix this glitch into their program, into their code. They just don't care about it. They know it's just a few, perhaps a little number of creators who have this problem. Is not a big number, it's not half of them. So they just don't care. It's just, it takes time, it takes money, it takes people to check the codes, find the bug, fix the bug. They don't care. You are on your own. So it's the only way to fix it as of 2022. Fix it manually, video by video, or at least the videos that are important for you to be translated in other languages that are being watched by people in other countries, other languages. You are on your own. All right. Thanks for watching, and you have been patient if you did watch my video till the end. All right, thanks for watching. And there are many other problems and bugs with YouTube. Don't worry, it's not the only one. They just don't care about. You will see if you are trying to edit a video and just blur a video, you will see there are other bugs. It's just some of their employees were really careless and they didn't do a good job, and they have a lot of bugs in the codes and they don't really care perfecting their codes. So that's how it goes. Thanks for watching.